So when you have an old system, DSC system alarm, and you have a keypad problem, so you want to first you need to disconnect the battery backup, the backup battery, and also the power supply. Here is how you disconnect the backup battery of your alarm system. First, you need to remove the black and red wire that hooked up to the backup battery. Then you need to remove the power supply, and the power supply will have a screw, this screw like this on the top that you need to remove. So let me show you here. So you see, so to remove the alarm keypad from the wall on this old model, so there's a hole at the bottom, and you can use the hex screwdriver, or you can use this one, the cross. So what you have to do is just insert into here and push up. When you push up, then at the same time you remove the panel out. And you have to push it very hard because this is a very old model, so sometimes it's very tough to take it out. So you see, so you have to push this up in order that you can remove the panel. So once the panel was out, you don't have to unplug the wire, but you can push this clip down and then remove the control panel, the control electronic circuit board. When you remove it, then what I have to do is I use the alcohol. You can use any alcohol or any clean liquid that you can clean up the circuit board and also the keypad on behind, and then I'm going to apply the electronics cleanup chemical. So that would be in the back of this electronics board that have a touch keyboard in the back. So once you clean up and you apply that chemical, then everything should work